What is going on, Pokemon fans? And welcome back to another Pokemon opening. And if you guys hear any music in the background, I apologize. That is not mine's. That's one of my neighbors there. I don't know what he's doing, but he has his car stereo on and it's on blast right now. So yeah, I apologize if you guys hear any music in the background. That is not mine's. Again, I say that's not my music. So now let's get back onto topic. Today we have our fourth mystery power box. So we haven't pulled a vintage pack yet. However, we are still hoping to pull one. So that'll be awesome, guys. Let's cut this plastic up. Alright. I know Pokebros said that the easiest way to get into them is from the bottom, but for me, I like doing it this way. Alright, so let's open up the top. Put it like that. Like so. So first is a coin. Xerneas coin. And we got a Roaring Skies pack. Nice. Second pack is a Furious Fist. No surprise there. And another, it's a Primal Clash this time, no surprise there. And a Primal Clash with nothing else in the box. No vintage pack. Wah, wah, wah. That is okay. Alright. So let's put this box away. Let's get the packs. And like always, we will do Roaring Skies last. Okay. So, here we go. First pack, Primal Fish. Alright. We got some decent pulls though in the last few boxes that we had opened on the channel. So, let's see if we can continue that streak. First, for a second there, I thought I did it wrong, but no. Alright, so we got a Buffalant, Rhydon, Special Energy, Surskit, Marill, Torchic, Slugma, Illumis, Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick as the reverse card, and Macargo as the rare. So we're off to a bad start, and then we're on to Furious Fist. Alright, let's see what Furious Fist can give us. So 3 cards in the front. And we have a Special Energy, Vigoroth, a Raichu, Scraggy, Eevee, Patrat, Cubchoo, Slackoth, Lickitung Reverse, and the rare is a Politoed. Alright, on to Primal Clash. The last Primal Clash of this mystery power box. Let's hope we can get something good out of our last Primal Clash pack. And we got a Doublade, Professor Birch's Observation, Vibrava, Dynamo, Corfish, Vulpix, Tentacool, Meditate, a Gardevoir Spirit Link as the reverse, and the rare Tango. Oh man, this is not looking good, guys. This is not looking good. Alright, Furious Fist. Alright guys, so we still got one more pack after this. Let's hope these 2 packs, let's hope these last 2 packs can bring bring the money home. Alright guys, here we go. So we are on to Furious Fist, the 4th pack, and we have a Super Scoop Up, a Watchog, Special Energy, Clauncher, Shroomish, Clefairy, Torchic, a Pancham, a Reverse Skoropy as the reverse. I just said reverse twice. And the rare, a Magmoltar. Oh boy, this is not looking good, guys. We got nothing. This is a dud box, maybe. Oh well. So here goes. Roaring Skies is the last and final pack of this mystery power box. Can we get something good? Can we get something good? Let's go. Dragonair, Executor, Winona, a Tailo, Execute, Halucha, Pikachu, Natu, a Reverse Executor, and the final card, guides, of this mystery power box is Unpheasant Regular Rare. So this box was a complete fail. We got nothing out of this box. No reverse rare, no hollow, no EX. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like. And if you haven't, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do about it, guys. It's just whatever's in the box. So, but yeah, anyway, this is just for fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed this opening, even though it wasn't a good opening. It was a terrible opening. So, alright guys, so we have about maybe 2 more boxes left to go, unless I can find some more, you know. So yeah, let's hope these other 2 boxes that I have are awesome. At least hold a vintage pack, at least. Yeah. So alright guys, that'll be all for today, and I'll see you guys later. Man, we got nothing in these packs at all. No reverse rare, nothing.